Welcome to day 5. We are going to be talking about legal variable names in Python. So, when we look at variable names in Python, there are some rules behind how you can name your variables. As I said in my previous video, that's the 4 variables are data container. They are used for storing values. So, a variable can have a short name or a more descriptive name. When I mean short name, this could be X and Y. And if you want it to be more descriptive, the variable name could be age or car name, or let me say total volume. Those could be a variable name. So rules for Python variables. Number 1, a variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. Number 2, a variable name cannot start with a number. It can't start with a number. Number 3, a variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscore. A to Z, 0 to 9, can only contain it. A variable name can only contain alphanumeric characters and underscore, making number 3. So number 4, variable names are case sensitive. What I mean by case sensitive, age is not the same thing as age. This and this are not the same. There are 2 different variables. They are not the same. That's on that. Number 5 is a variable name cannot be any of the Python keywords. Python has some default keywords. So you cannot name your variable print. You now want to name a variable, you now say print is equal to 4. No, this is a Python keyword. So I said print equal to 4. You cannot use print because it's one of the Python keywords. There are others too like that you cannot use as a variable name. We are going to be talking about some Python keyword in our upcoming videos. So with the rules I just listed, we are going to be looking at legal variable names. So you can write your variable names like this. Let's say my variable, let's say equal to Ade. You can also write your variable name and put underscore within it. These are the variables. Why this is the value you are storing inside the variable. You can see my variable equal to 4. Putting underscore within your variable names is accepted. And you can use underscore to start. It is allowed. This equal to John. You can use one or double quotes whenever you are dealing with string. Word. We call it word. In Python, we call it string. So, also again, you can use capitalization within the name of your variable. We have capital V. Remember, whenever I'm writing a numeric, I don't put the quotation. The quotation is only meant for when you're writing sentence or a word to show that it's a string. So we also have you can capitalize everything. So if you want to capitalize everything, I can just use my in capital letter, parents capital letter is equal to John, as you can see it. And last but not the least, your variable name, you can add number within it. You can just put 2 is equal to John. This is accepted. So far, that 2 is not starting the variable name. It can be within, but you shouldn't start it. So this is for legal variable name, how you can arrange it. So let's look at illegal variable name. Legal variable name. Let's look at illegal one. The illegal variable name would be, if you put 2 at the beginning, according to the rule I gave you before, and you write, let's say, John, this is wrong. If you write like this, and you put, this is not underscore, this is hyphen, this also is wrong. It's not accepted in Python. If you also do like this, and you put space here, now write John, this also is wrong. These are illegal way of writing your variable name. Illegal way. So don't forget that variable names are case sensitive. I'll be talking about multi-word variable names. So multi-word variable names. So variable names with more than one word can be difficult to read. So now there are several techniques you can use to make them more readable. So we have I'll be talking about 3 techniques you can use. We have the camel case, we have the Pascal case, and we have the snake case. In the case of the camel case, when you're using camel case means each word except the first starts with a capital letter. Let me write it. My variable got so this particular name, the way it is being written, the style in which it is being written is called camel case. Only the first letter will not be capitalized, while other will be capitalized. Each word except the first starts with a capital letter. Each word, man is a word, variable is a word, name is a word. You want to combine them together in naming of your variable. You are dealing with a very big data set and you want to put a descriptive name. So in the better way to write them, you can use camel case. And you can choose to use Pascal. Have the Pascal case. The Pascal case, each word starts with a capital letter, which means my variable is equal to, I can say, John. And the last but not the least, snake case. Each word is separated by an underscore character. The snake case. The snake case. My variable equal to John. So the underscore that is here, remember this is not hyphen, this is underscore. Make this variable name a snake case. This is what? Pascal case. There are ways in which you can arrange word to become a variable. Let's say you want to name a particular variable, old car, latest car. There could be a variable name, but we have different words there. The way you can arrange it to suit one of the three cases we have here, so that you can have a clean and readable code. So thank you for watching. We will continue with variables in my next video. Thank you so much.